Habibi, come to Dubai.
Hey y'all, so your girl finally made it to Dubai. I really solo tripped a little bit too hard because why am I here? Why am I here? Just checked into my hotel. This is the First Collection waterfront. Some little slippers. How you gonna have slippers with no ropes? Little instructions. We should unlock it first. That would be so smart. It's so many different First Collections. Make sure you choose the right one if you do decide to stay in one of their accommodations. And y'all, that 14-hour flight was not bad at all. I was knocked out on the thing. But I'm really trying to decide if I'm going to just stay and keep it cute tonight, or if I'm going to go outside. Because I can do a little hookah and bring my butt home and get some room service. I think they said room service is 24 hours. So, yeah. Y'all cannot believe I'm here. What? I did get a little money at the airport, and she told me that I can bring it back if I end up not using it. At this point, I've been swapping my card. I used Uber to get here, y'all. I was so lost, but one thing about me, them ears be percolating. I've been eavesdropping for years. So anytime I hear Uber, I just follow the person or I just read the signs. I'm about to unpack and show y'all this hotel. Because I'm thinking, oh, I just wanted something affordable. It's not going to be cute. It's not going to be all that. I'm not going to show y'all. But actually, it's pretty cute. Yeah, bed look comfy. Like, you see, I have room to walk around and lollygag. Bathroom has decent lighting. We have a little mirror here. Okay, bathroom have weird lighting, but I have lights to fix that. Little tubby wubby. And then we do have a full-size mirror. The food. It looks good, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So it's day one in Dubai. I'm about to go downstairs and get me a little snacky, and then we're gonna go. I low-key think I should go ahead and call my Uber if I can locate my phone. But this is my little outfit of the day. I got this on because it's still early. I don't want to be too revealing. And then this is my bag for today, because I need to carry my tripod with me. So, yeah. My dress is literally so wrinkled, but I don't care. I don't care. Actually, I'm gonna spray some Downy Release on it. Let's see if that do something. We're at Miracle Garden. So y'all, he done got me. He done got me. But Y'all ain't gonna more my money. Y'all already got things to do. No, thank you. No, thank you. I'll come back.
Make nobody stress me, I'm on the way right now. When you was show my support, I give them no big power. Now wisdom they make you the gara. Show up, I'm a little sometimes I think feel like
Y'all, it's time to go. TT can't take no more pictures. She's overheating. It's time to go. I think I want to change clothes because this dress is super sheer and I'm not going to the mall in this, and I've already spilled my ice cream in here. Like, it's super sheer. I spilled my little ice cream on here already, so we're gonna change into something cash. Yeah. Okay, like I was saying, y'all, we finna go to the Dubai Mall. I don't know if I'm doing any shopping. I might pop into Zara, pop into H&M, pop into Sephora. But I just really want to walk around, get a close up on the Burj Khalifa, those type things. Y'all, this time change just hit me so bad. I really just want to get in the bed and go to sleep. But I'm about to call my Uber, y'all. Kareem won't work for me. WhatsApp won't work for me. I'm just down bad. So I gotta figure out how the hell I'm gonna make that work. It's me. Where's the Burj Khalifa? Where's the baby? In front of you.
Yeah, I think they said they opened
Whoa. I'm full, I'm stuffed. I want to go to Sephora. This how big this mall is. Baby. What the helly? What the heliante? Bruh. In H&M, y'all know I'm at the mall, and they have such cute stuff. I wish my sister was here. Y'all, tell me if I do too much, but why did I just book a last minute Davido concert ticket, which started at 8:30? It is now 8:22. Do I do too much? I put myself under stress and anxiety, but why not? Why not? Yeah, I had to get my camera up. I'm so sad. Hey loves, so I went to the concert. I went to a Davido concert. I found out that they was having one tonight, and I know a few of his songs. I honestly just love like Afro beats, African music. Half the time I don't know what's being said, but I just love the vibe. I love the tempo. I love the everything about it. So I was like, let's go. Instead of just going to eat again, let's go to a concert in Dubai, like on some random stuff. So I go. I'm having a good time by myself. Like, I haven't really met anybody, but I'm still just, vibing out. Y'all. To make a long story short, I met a girl. She was super cool in the beginning. She asked to use my portable charger. I allowed her to dance and sing songs the whole night. At around 11 o'clock, and I let her know I was gonna leave. I need my charger. Instead of giving it to me, she asked me to stay longer. I stayed 2 more songs, and I asked for the charger again, and she ran down the steps. I followed her down the steps, took my charger. She snatched my phone out my hand, and I grabbed my things, said some words, and I left. After that situation, I could not get an Uber for nothing. I could not get no service on my phone to get an Uber. I kept trying to get taxis. They kept telling me different stuff, but I kept forcing myself out there to get a taxi. So, yeah, ended up getting one. It wasn't bad. It was only like 29 AED. So, yeah. Tomorrow, we're doing a safari. I'd have my clothes out. I'm about to take this makeup off. I just ate the rest of my food. Oh, it was so good. I love when, like, spicy food sits for a while. All the flavors just be dancing. I'm like, oh, God. Safari tomorrow, y'all. I'm scared, but we finna have fun. I'm gonna get up early in the morning. Probably get me, like, a little... I might go to breakfast. I might not. We're gonna see. I guess that's all. We're about to unwind and get ready for the morning. I really should have been asleep. Been in my bed, but so life happens. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, y'all. It is day 2. Day 2. This is the second full day I've been here. And we're about to go on a safari tour. I gotta be downstairs by 8:30. It is 8:13, so I have like a little bit of time. And I'm gonna go get some water. I need this band cut off immediately. We're gonna desert safari tour. I'm so excited. I'm nervous at the same time, but this is my little desert safari outfit. And then I'm gonna put my sneakers on. I have my sneakers, we'll put them on, and today gonna be a good day. No hurt, Jules. That's too much.
Make nobody stress me, I'm on the way right now. What's up? Show myself a job. I didn't know big power. Now wisdom they make you the gotta. Shoka. I'm a little son. Sometimes I they feel like you gonna. In my head they feel like you gotta. stress me, I'm on the way right now. What's up? Show my support, I didn't know big power. Now wisdom they make you the gotta. Choke. I'm a little sometimes I feel like it gonna. In my head, they feel like. Hey, you little more. Tears fell low, tears fell slow. Isn't it like Santa borrow? Twisting my mind, tears fell low, tears fell slow. Isn't it like Santa borrow? Hey, curtains closed, I felt the can. I felt that feeling, باختصار يا ما شاء الله عليك.
Back in my hotel room, my excursion was so fucking fire. So fire. I paid for a camel ride, dune-bashing, and sandboarding. Y'all, I did not fall off. I did not fall off. That was my one mission. I was like, I'm scared. He was like, what are you scared for? You're just sitting. I was like, you know what? Okay, you ate that one little thing. So I was just hold on tight, stiff buddy. And I did good, y'all. I did not fall. I did not bust my ass. Yeah, I'm so tired. I'm so drained. I'm literally about to take a nap. And y'all, I've been trying to get out this bed for the last hour. I took a 2-hour nap. I was supposed to get up at 5. Then I was supposed to get up at 6. It is now 6:25. It is now 6:25. And I want to go to dinner, but I'm going to get up in a minute. I promise. We're not wasting the night. Okay.
Is he there? Does he stop going up and get that? And he ducks.
They got a DJ going. Bye-bye. Thank you. Okay. Is that him? Muhammad? Yes. Hello. For Shaquita? Y'all, that food was so good, but if y'all go there, it is expensive. It is expensive. But I still would pay more in Atlanta, baby. But y'all, wait. Lock it up, Pookie. Lock it up, Pookie. Anywho, y'all, sometimes when these people see me, they be looking like they seen a damn ghost. Sister, I'm just a black human being trying to live my little life. I really liked it. Coco, it was really cool. It was a local vibe. They had the DJ come out at like 10. I was there for damn near 3 hours. So about 2.5 hours, I'd say. It was a vibe, y'all. I really did like it there. It's so pretty. The aesthetics is tea. I was talking about my tripod because I definitely was posting it up. And it's like the damn server didn't want me to leave because I'm like, yo, I had to walk them down. Can I check out, please? Y'all, look at my hair. That's another reason I want to come home early, because my hair is puffed up and it's not eating. It's not eating. So we about to do that. We about to watch a little movie or two. I'll charge up my iPad. We probably can get some editing done. This is an early night for me. This is my first night in, and it is 11:53. You know what I'm talking about? It's an early night, but it is actually. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all really liking a vlog. I haven't vlogged like this in so long, but I'm about to call it a night. We're gonna do this hair and call it a night, okay? Because y'all know this gonna take like an hour to do. Oh, baby, these are steep.
All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh girl, I wanna order you tonight. Every time you walking out the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you.
Had to move down here so I can see things up here.
Focus, focus on me, focus on me. Focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me. We in this party. All these sexy girls.
Okay, so the yacht ride is completed. It was very, very relaxing, and I had a good time. I met a lot of people. Let me have a seat for a second. Oh no, it's too hot right here. The yacht ride, it was really, really nice. Now I want some food. I'm hungry. I haven't ate nothing. They had food on the yacht, but it was literally like little snacks. That gave me some fuel, but now I'm about to walk to the breakfast spot. I think I see one right here. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So it's nobody in here though. I might ask her, I might just got there. It's cute in here, but it's nobody in here. This is exactly my vibe. Like, I see the city. I also see palm trees. I also see water. I just had a nice ass salad. They playing some Afro, some reggaeton. I got my hookah. Good day to me. so stressed out. I woke up to my flight being canceled. And if y'all know anything, I was ready to go home last night because I was sick. It scares me because what if they push it back another day, and then a lot of flights have already been restricted. So at this point, I have extended my stay. They doubled the amount of night, and that's annoying. I have an excursion planned. I'm gonna beat my face, I'm gonna get dressed, I'm gonna wash up and try to have a great day, try to remain positive. I trust in the Lord and He'll provide a way. So let's get ready because we are going to the mosque today. So I'm trying to get myself in a cheered up mood because I hate coming on the vlog in this energy. It's not cute.
You have to be with me all the time.
I bet you need to get her life together.
Like for example, some people believe the rich royals, they will get the entrance or the front side. That's not true. Only simple rule, come first, get first. The people who come early, he get the front lines, and people like me, late and lazy, always in the last. Because that's simple rule, come first, get first. All we clear with this? Thank you very much. So this beautiful place, I'm very, very
So beautiful. Okay.
Sorry.
The day I've had me a sweet treat to go. Now I need to find my tour guide. Hopefully I ain't get up. Hey y'all, so we finna go get some snacky wackies. Why do I say stuff like that like I'm talking to a child? But yeah, we finna go get some snacks from the little corner store and watch us a little movie, do a little editing, and that's gonna be the night. This is my fifth night here. Sure. Then I'll leave tomorrow. I will show y'all the snacks I get because earlier I went to the store and they had some pretty interesting things. So yeah. And I need some little snacks for the airport, so that's what we're about to do.
Take me through that, take me through that.